Hey kindergarten friends, welcome back to today's number corner. If there's a little bit of glare, that means shine on our calendar. I'm sorry. It's just such a beautiful day with lots of sunshine. It's not such a bad problem, is it? All right, well, I hope you can see everything okay. If not, we'll try our very best, and then I'll always bring the camera closer so you can make your observations if there's something you need to look at. All right, so let's sing our Days of the Week song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then we start again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What day is it? Thursday. Say the date with me. Today is Thursday, May 7, 2020. Yesterday's marker showed a picture of a cat on a blue background with an equation that reads, read it with me, 5 plus 1 equals box. Yesterday we figured out that inside the box is the number 6 because, oh gosh, I have so many things in my hands, but 5 plus 1 more is 6. And your job for yesterday's number corner was to make up your very own story problem that would match that equation. I'll share one that a friend shared with me. The story problem goes like this. Joe saw 5 turtles. Then he saw 1 more. How many turtles did Joe see? He saw 6 of them. So that is a really good example of a story problem that matches this equation. Let's make our predictions for today. What do you predict today's marker will show? Think about whether it'll be a story problem or an equation. What colors might you see? Are we going to see more animals? If it's a story problem, what's it going to be about? There are lots of ways that you can make this prediction. So go ahead and give yourself quiet think time. Thumbs up when you're ready. Hit pause to share with someone next to you. And then play when you're ready to check. Go ahead. Okay. Today's marker is, it's a story problem. It's a story problem, again, on a purple background. And this is what it says. Listen close. Max's cat just had 9 kittens. 2 of the kittens are black. The rest are gray. How many of the kittens are gray? This one sounds tricky. Now, whenever you have a story problem, the first thing you want to do is listen to the story problem again and figure out, what is this story problem asking me to solve? And then that'll help you figure out the numbers better. So let's move on over to our observation chart so we can fill it out, and then I'll tell you what your job for today's number corner is. All right, so let's fill out our columns. The first column is the date. What's the date on this marker? It's the 7th. We'll write 7. This next column is the equation. What's the equation? Well, we don't know because it doesn't tell us. It doesn't show us. So guess what your job is? Today, your job is to write an equation that matches this story problem. So let me read it to you one more time. That way you can write it on our paper. And then I'll help you think about it just a little bit. And then I want you to work with somebody at your house to help you figure it out. So the equation is, Max's cat had 9 kittens. 2 of the kittens are black. The rest are gray. How many of the kittens are gray? Here is a hint. Are we putting things together? Or are we looking at different parts? Are we putting things together and doing an addition equation? Or are we looking at parts and doing a subtraction equation? That's your hint. So send me an equation and we'll check tomorrow to see if it matches our story problem. Have an awesome evening. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.